How to stop Google Chrome from tracking everything on Android. This tutorial walks through the privacy and account settings that limit how much data gets collected. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots at the top right. After that, tap Settings. At this point, tap Privacy and Security. Following this, tap Safe Browsing. From here, select Enhanced Protection. At this stage, turn on Always Use Secure Connections. Following this, enable Warn if passwords are exposed in a data breach. From here, go back and open third-party cookies. At this stage, select Block Third-Party Cookies. If a specific website stops working properly after this, you can always switch it back to Allow for that site individually. From here, go back to Privacy and Security and turn on Send a Do Not Track request. At this stage, make sure Advanced Protection is enabled if it's available for your account. Following this, go back to Chrome's main screen and tap your profile picture. From here, tap Manage your Google account. At this stage, tap the Data and Privacy tab. Following this, turn off Personalized Search if you don't want Google customizing results based on your activity. From here, open Web and App Activity and turn it off. If you'd like even more privacy, you can also turn off YouTube History, Google Maps Timeline, and Google Play History, or set them to auto-delete instead of turning them off completely.
And that's it. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next one.